Don't try to make sense out of every single chart. Stay tuned, traders. We're going to talk about that next. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. I just got back from a run. My two old dogs not really going too far anymore, but today we're talking about don't try to make sense out of every single chart. We talked about building our playbooks. I've received a couple emails the last few days. I have to apologize. I've been traveling a little bit back in and out, and missed a couple days with videos, but today I'm going to talk about don't try to make sense out of every single chart. The purpose of building your playbook is to train your neuroplasticity, or the reticular activating system, the part of your brain to stick to certain types of setups that are what you've established to be for your time frame, your instruments, your trading psyche, your risk aversion, the best trading setup possibilities, and for you, your ability to execute those trades. So sometimes we try to curve fit every single type of analysis to one particular instrument, and we try to trade that or figure it out every single time. And that can be a very complicated process that can lead you down the rabbit hole in terms of taking trades outside of your plan, trading markets that potentially have lost their volatility, or we see an impulse and then a market that's consolidating, maybe the wrong time of day. Again, the purpose of building your playbook, which we talk about every single day, taking notes, reviewing the previous day's best trading setups, going back, reviewing how potentially maybe if you didn't take that trade, where was it in your preparation that you weren't able to identify that market as the best trading setup, or is there part of your trade plan that because there's analysis paralysis, maybe too much information on the screens or too many indicators, whatever that may be, maybe the wrong time frame. For myself, I've established that the hour time frame chart is my best. For me, I identify with the patterns that I'm looking for the best on the hourly chart. I've tried other time frames. I will go to the 5 minute after that trade signal is set up on the hourly chart. But I always have my limit orders established, and I may enter those manually based off the hourly chart, even if I go to a shorter time frame trade. If I don't see that if I see the setup and I go to the shorter time frame to try and get a better entry so I can limit my risk a bit more, but if I don't see that, if the price action is too confusing, I still hit my limit order manually. But that's based on my best playbook trading setups. Now we talk about this. If you haven't done so, go to my homepage, download my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. That's about ritualizing your daily routines. You're the only person that can force yourself to get better. You have to be setting goals. Create the mission, the vision of the trader that you want to become. Maybe it's more disciplined. Maybe you need to be more regimented with your preparation or your risk, or maybe you need a better strategy in terms of how you approach the markets. I've scaled things back to basically price. I do have a moving average on my screen, but everything is built around the time of day, and for my end-of-day system, it's built on the opening range. And that's what I find for myself. I'm able to best track the markets with, and I'm only looking for a couple of trades a week, and sometimes that's the hard part as well. You try to fit a trade every day to one instrument or to a basket of instruments so that you can get a trade every day, and as a retail trader, that can be a trap. The market will lure you in to low probability trading setups, and that's where we take emotional, impulsive trades out of anger, frustration, hope, fear, greed, FOMO, fear of missing out, all those things. And it's critical that you get the runs on the board, even if you're just using micro lots, before you start to lose any larger sums of money. Get the runs on the board, build your confidence through accomplishment, get better at those trade setups, maybe one or two best trade setups, and then learn to trade them bigger and better. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. Don't try to trade every single chart. Wait for the best playbook trade setups to show up on the charts, the instruments that you're following. So stay disciplined, stay focused, traders. Keep getting better, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading.
If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High-Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.